Hi guys, how to put the remote strip to Akaso V50x camera. So it's the strip, this one is the sticky one and this one is the smooth one. Okay, so you have to turn around here in the middle, this thing. Okay, it's the remote, white one for video recording, start and stop, and the red one is for the photos. Okay, so we'll put like this. This is the sticky one, okay, the rough one here and here. That's it. So it's like a watch now, and we'll put like this. So this will come two ways, one here, one like this. This is the easy one. The first one is the easy, like this. I use mostly like this, nothing happened because it's very strong strip. Some people also they turn it around here in the middle part of the strip, and then they put for more strong. You see, so it's just like a watch, yeah. And this remote, it doesn't need any connection or Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. As the camera on, it start working. There is no button to turn on and off this remote. So when the camera is on, mean this remote is always on. So if this remote is not working, so make sure you remove the battery. There are some screws here. Look, this there are 4 screws, small screw. So if this remote is not working, like the sign of this remote is not working, this one, when you press this one was just blinking, that's not good. And normally if it is working, so when you press this one, like anyone, like the video or the photo, so it will be a red light on, just like for a second or two. That is good. If it is blinking, so mean the battery may be moved and maybe its battery is weak. So first, what you should do, it's also might be this remote itself needs restarting. In my case, this remote was not working. So I remove the screw and I remove the cell. There is cell, and I once again put the battery back. I remove the battery and I put back the battery, and it start working. So maybe this remote also needs restarting after like 2 or 3 months when it start working. And if you see the battery is weak, so there is a number also on the cell. Now I forgot, now it closed it. So maybe the cell is different in your remote, so you will figure out. So you should buy the new cell and then don't stress much more like these buttons that will push hardly and maybe it's not start working. Remove the screw, remove the battery, and then put again the battery, so it will be like restarting for this little remote. Or change the battery. If it is still not working, then change the battery and put a new battery. So it's good, yeah. I was thinking I should buy a new one, but when I remove the battery and put back, it start working. Okay, thank you. Now I'll press this button, so my video will stop. See.